Hey everyone, my name's Midori. I'm a product manager at Venngage, and I'm here to talk to you about Vengage's new diagramming solution. So, Venngage has always been a design solution that empowers everyone to create designs that are beautiful and professional looking without any design or technical skills. We do this by offering templates for all sorts of designs, from infographics to presentations and reports, as well as an easy to use editor that allows anyone to really bring their information to life. With our new diagram maker, we're taking that same approach and applying it to diagramming. The problem with diagramming solutions out there today is they're really just focused on helping people get ideas onto the page, and they lack the polish and design quality necessary for a design to be effective. The design quality is really critical for designs to be engaging and to be memorable and to really represent you well when you're sharing them in higher stakes situations, maybe across your organization or with higher ups. With the Venngage diagram maker, we've combined what's great about the ease of use of traditional diagramming tools with Vengage's graphic design advantage, those design touches that really help you make your work look professional. So let me show you how it works. I've just hopped onto the Venngage templates page here, and you can see we've got a ton of templates available. And some of them have this green smart template tag, which is an indicator that it's one of our new smart diagram templates. So I'm going to go ahead and search for smart templates here so I can see the whole range of smart diagram templates that Venngage offers. We've got a ton of different mind map and flowchart templates to choose from with a range of different styles and content ready to go. I'm just going to hop into one of these mind map templates and show you how they work. So I'll start just by adding some content to this diagram. I just have to click to add a couple new shapes to accommodate my content. And you'll notice that the whole layout is actually shifting to accommodate for that content. All of the new shapes, because of our diagram themes, already are added to match the style of the template. I still have that fine control over the design just to make it look perfect, but so many of the design decisions are really just taken care of for me. Also, with our icon replace functionality, all you have to do is double click and you get access to Vengage's extensive icon library. So you can quickly swap in an icon that fits your style and works with your content. So I'm just going to search optimize here, and then pick an icon that kind of works with my content, and I'm good to go. So getting my content in there, as you can see, is super quick, but I'm still not compromising on the design. It's always going to look professional. Another type of layout that I really wanted to highlight is our circle or radial mind maps. Let me just show you an example. I've started with this template and I've actually already gone ahead and gotten all of my ideas on the page. But in that process, it's gotten a little bit messy and disorganized. All I need to fix this is actually just select the mind map and click tidy. And all of my shapes are kind of brought into alignment for me. Then I can just grab this circular track here to kind of move all of my shapes in and out at once to make the design look just the way I want. This is actually a feature that we haven't seen anywhere else and that we're really excited about bringing to the diagram world. One other diagram type that we offer that works a little bit differently from the mind maps I just showed you is a flowchart. So let me walk you through some of that functionality as well. Just like our mind maps, it's really easy to add a new shape. Just click and it's added for you. But now you've got a little bit more flexibility. So you can drag out to connect lines between shapes, or you can reconnect lines between shapes, everything that you need to actually show the flow that you're trying to show in your flowchart. It's also really easy to swap out shapes to indicate a certain part of the process, like a decision or an input. So I can change this to really easily to another shape. But what I think is my favorite feature, actually, that applies across all of our diagram templates, is the ability to quickly apply a style that exists elsewhere in the diagram onto any of your shapes. So that's what this looks like. Let's say that I want this shape to be a decision point, and I want it to look exactly like this shape over here, all I need to do is grab this shape, copy the style, and paste it onto here, and I'm good to go. It's just those little touches that I find really allow me to get things done really quickly without compromising on my design. And that's it. We'd really love for you to try it out. Let us know what you think. Leave your thoughts in the comments. We're really looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for checking out the Venngage Diagram Maker.